Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome to Benevolent Psychology, where we dive deep into the mind, explore personal growth, and unlock the secrets to living your best life. Today, we're exploring how mindfulness meditation can transform your life. By the end, you'll discover the benefits of this ancient practice and learn practical tips to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. In today's fast-paced world, finding inner peace can feel like an elusive dream. Our minds race with endless to-do lists, anxieties, and worries, leaving us feeling overwhelmed. But there's a simple, powerful practice that can help you reclaim your inner peace. It's called mindfulness meditation, and it's been transforming lives for centuries. Mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment, without judgment. It's about noticing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise. This practice has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, enhance focus, and improve emotional well-being. It's like a mental gym for your mind, strengthening your ability to navigate life's challenges. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and cultivate a calmer, more focused, and emotionally balanced you, keep watching. Mindfulness is about waking up to the present moment. It's about becoming aware of your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment without judgment. Imagine yourself sitting by a flowing river. Your thoughts are like the passing boats, gently floating by. With mindfulness, you observe these boats, your thoughts, without hopping onto any of them. You acknowledge their presence without letting them carry you away. This non-judgmental observation is key to cultivating inner peace. Mindfulness isn't about stopping your thoughts, it's about changing your relationship with them. It's about creating a space between your thoughts and your reactions, allowing you to choose how you respond to life's challenges. By cultivating mindfulness, you develop a greater sense of self-awareness, which is the foundation for personal growth and transformation. You become more attuned to your inner world and start to understand your patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to practice mindfulness is through breath awareness. Your breath is always with you, serving as an anchor to the present moment. By focusing on your breath, you can calm your mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath, noticing the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Feel the coolness of the air as it enters your nostrils and the warmth as it flows out. As you focus on your breath, you might notice your mind wandering. That's perfectly normal. Don't judge yourself or try to force your mind to be quiet. Simply acknowledge the thought and gently guide your attention back to your breath. With each breath, you invite tranquility into your body and mind. This simple practice helps to slow down racing thoughts, calm your nervous system, and create a sense of spaciousness within. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to control us. Mindfulness meditation empowers us to break free from the grip of stress and respond to challenges with greater resilience. When we're stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. Our heart rate increases, our breathing becomes shallow, and our muscles tense up. This physiological response is helpful in dangerous situations, but it can be detrimental to our health when it becomes chronic. Mindfulness meditation helps to activate the relaxation response, which is the opposite of the stress response. By focusing on our breath, we slow down our heart rate, relax our muscles, and calm our minds. Regular mindfulness practice helps to rewire our brains, making us less reactive to stress and more resilient in the face of challenges. It's like building a mental muscle that allows us to handle stress with greater ease. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. Our phones buzz with notifications, emails flood our inboxes, and social media beckons for our attention. It's no wonder that many of us struggle to stay focused on the task at hand. Mindfulness meditation is like a workout for our attention muscles, strengthening our ability to focus and resist distractions. When we meditate, we train our minds to stay present with the object of our focus, whether it's our breath, our body, or a sound. This practice of sustained attention strengthens our neural pathways associated with focus and concentration. As we become more adept at focusing our minds, we find it easier to concentrate on our work, studies, or any other task that requires our full attention. With regular practice, mindfulness meditation can help us reclaim our focus, boost our productivity, and experience the joy of being fully present in each moment. Our minds are often filled with a cacophony of thoughts, emotions, and worries. This mental clutter can cloud our judgment, make it difficult to think clearly, and prevent us from making sound decisions. Mindfulness meditation offers a path to clarity amidst the chaos. By practicing mindfulness, we create a space between our thoughts and our reactions, allowing us to observe our thoughts without getting swept away by them. As we become more aware of our thoughts, we can start to identify and challenge negative thought patterns that may be holding us back. We can learn to let go of thoughts that no longer serve us, creating space for more positive and empowering beliefs. Through mindfulness, we cultivate a sense of mental clarity that allows us to make better decisions, solve problems more effectively, and navigate life's challenges with greater wisdom. Emotions are an integral part of the human experience, but they can sometimes feel overwhelming and difficult to manage. Mindfulness meditation provides us with the tools to regulate our emotions and cultivate greater emotional balance. When we practice mindfulness, we learn to observe our emotions without judgment. Instead of suppressing or avoiding our feelings, we acknowledge them with kindness and curiosity. This non-judgmental observation allows us to create a space between our emotions and our reactions. We can choose how we respond to our emotions rather than reacting impulsively. Mindfulness meditation helps us to develop emotional resilience, which is the ability to bounce back from adversity and maintain emotional well-being in the face of challenges. Life is full of ups and downs, and it's inevitable that we'll encounter challenges and setbacks along the way. Emotional resilience is what allows us to navigate these challenges without becoming overwhelmed or losing hope. Mindfulness meditation strengthens our emotional resilience by helping us to develop a more compassionate and accepting relationship with ourselves. When we practice self-compassion, we treat ourselves with the same kindness and understanding that we would offer to a good friend. This self-compassion helps us to bounce back from setbacks more easily and to approach challenges with greater courage and resilience. We learn that it's okay to make mistakes, to feel difficult emotions, and to ask for help when we need it. Through mindfulness, we cultivate the inner strength and resilience to navigate life's storms with grace and equanimity. Unlocking the power of mindfulness meditation is a journey, not a destination. Start small. Even a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Observe your thoughts without judgment. Be patient with yourself. Mindfulness takes time and effort to develop. Embrace the journey. The beauty of mindfulness is always available. The journey to inner peace awaits. Thanks for watching today's video on the benefits of mindfulness meditation. Remember, practicing mindfulness can bring calm, clarity, and balance to your life. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. For more content on mindfulness and personal growth, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update when we upload new videos. Don't forget to check the description below for links to more videos on similar topics that can help you continue your mindfulness journey. Share this video with anyone who could benefit from the power of meditation. Let's keep growing together. Remember, always stay focused and inspired, and we'll be back with another video soon.